Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, markets are much more cautious today, winding back the post-election, post-vaccine enthusiasm. In the US, new claims for jobless benefits fell marginally to 723,000 in the week, although the previous week's number was revised up. That makes the total number of people supported by these benefits now 21.2 million, and that's down 374,000 in a week. That's the net decrease, though. This shows that 1.1 million people lost qualifications in a week or found work. This time last year, the number on jobless benefits was only 1.4 million. And there's now almost no chance new support for those who have lost their jobs is arriving before the new president is sworn in. And after that, it'll depend on the makeup of the Senate after the Georgia Senate runoff election. And American inflation is falling. Overall inflation is 1.2%, and core inflation, that's without food or energy, is at 1.6%. Both measures are lower in October than September. Meanwhile, prices for single-family American homes rose 12% in the September quarter, the fastest rise in 7 years. A lot of this is being driven by higher prices in both the East and the West Coast states. And in Canada, homeowners there are bracing for rising mortgage interest rates. As bond rates turn up, Canadians may be the first to feel the impact of a turn up in the rates they pay. And the 10-member ASEAN trade group has started on building a travel corridor between each of them. US Treasury 10-year yield will start today lower than yesterday at 0.9%, a fall of 6 basis points. And the price of gold has risen today, up $16 from this time yesterday, and now at $1,880 an ounce. And oil prices are stable today, still just over $42 a barrel in the US, while the international price is now just on $44.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar has settled at its higher level, now at 68.8 US cents, and its highest since March 2019. Against the Australian dollar, we're also unchanged at 94.6 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're a little softer at 58.2 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is still at 71.8, and it's high for the year. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.